Today in this part I am going to explain how can we find out the sum of integers with the help of a number line as well as without the help of the number line. Here we have taken a question 7 plus minus 4 plus minus 3 on the number line. We have to find out the sum of integers on the number line. To solve this problem, we use a number line. We begin at 0 and first move 7 units to the right of 0 to arrive at A, which represents 7. The second number minus 4 is negative, so we move 4 units to the left of A to arrive at B, which represents 3. Now the third number minus 3 is negative, so we move 3 units to the left of B to reach at C, which represents 0. Thus we have 7 plus negative 4 plus negative 3 is equal to 0. In view of the above discussion, we obtain the following rules for addition of integers. Rules for addition of integers. In rule number 1, to add two positive integers or two negative integers, we add their absolute values and assign the sign of the addends to the sum. In rule number 2, to add a positive and a negative integer, we determine the difference of their absolute values and assign the sign of addend having greater absolute value. For example, 1. Add plus 67 and plus 49. Here we find out the sum of integers without the help of number line. So first of all, we take the absolute value of integers. The absolute value of 67 is equal to 67. The absolute value of 49 is equal to 49. Since in this case we find that both the integers are having the same sign, that is the positive sign, so we add the absolute values, that is 67 plus 49 is equal to 116. Therefore plus 67 plus 49 is equal to plus 116. In example 2, add minus 95 and minus 35. We can write it as minus 95 plus minus 35. Here we take the absolute values of both the integers. The absolute value of minus 95 is equal to 95. Absolute value of minus 35 is equal to 35. But in this case, we find that both the integers are having the same sign, that is the negative sign. So we add the absolute values and prefix the sign of the addends. Therefore, minus 95 plus negative 95 is equal to minus 130. In example 3, add minus 381 and plus 619. We also find the absolute values of both the integers. The absolute value of minus 381 is equal to 381. The absolute value of 619 is equal to 619. Here in this case we find that both the integers are having the opposite signs. One is having the negative sign, other is having the positive sign. So we can subtract the smallest integer from the greater integer and we assign the sign of the addend having the greater absolute value. Therefore, minus 381 plus 619 is equal to plus 238. Thank you for watching my video.